So before you invest in property, either as an investment or for a short-term rental or both, you need to really do your research, you need to do your due diligence and check out the government regulations. In Japan, for example, there are people who've inherited land, and you think that's a great thing, but unfortunately, some of them have inherited land in the countryside, and it's a huge piece of land, and they work in a city in another part of the country, so they really have no use for the land. So you think, well, sell it. Well, they want to sell it, but no one will buy it. The property taxes, are huge, and they've got to pay this every year. So they're kind of stuck with this. They don't want the inheritance. So really check on, your situation. Make sure that it's something you really want to get into. You need to know all that stuff. Right. So yeah, check out the taxation policies of your area and country. Make sure you know those. Make sure you know your zoning regulations. You don't want to do a short-term rental if it's not allowed in your city, or Airbnb, for example, and all the other short-term rental platforms are getting banned in certain cities in America, but most cities allow it. So anyway, check out your local situation. Make sure you're in an area that allows that. So whatever you're planning to use your property for, make sure you're in the designated area for that. Check on interest rates. Try to get a fixed interest rate if you need to get a loan. If it's not a fixed interest rate, make sure that if it goes up, you're going to be able to cover it. Otherwise, it could be disaster for you. So check on all these aspects.